Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best leather strap is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any knife enthusiast's arsenal, offering a simple yet effective way to hone your blades to a razor's edge after sharpening, resulting in an incredibly sharp and long-lasting edge. In this video, we will explore what makes a great leather strap, the different types available, and how to use one properly to maintain your knives in top condition. Number 5. BeaverCraft LS2P1 Knife Strap. Introducing the BeaverCraft LS2P1 Knife Strap. It's double-sided for versatile sharpening, making your knives incredibly sharp with minimal effort. One side uses a polishing compound for an extra smooth finish, while the other side works perfectly without it. It's perfect for all your knife sharpening needs. Its compact size makes it ideal for sharpening on the go. Take it with you to the woods or anywhere your adventures take you. The included stropping compound ensures a razor-sharp edge on your knives. It's easy to apply and makes the sharpening process much smoother. This strap is crafted in Ukraine, upholding the highest standards of European quality. You can trust it for years of reliable performance. Get the BeaverCraft LS2P1 Knife Strap today and experience the difference. It's the perfect tool for keeping your knives in top condition. What we like. It features two sides for different sharpening needs and a compact size perfect for on-the-go sharpening. If you need a portable and versatile option with a polishing compound, this is the one for you. Its small size makes it ideal for those who like to sharpen their knives outdoors or in various locations. What people say. Thick and sturdy yet flexible. Very good quality leather, nicely finished. Included compound Verity, nice quality as well. This leather strap is excellent quality and works perfectly for keeping my carving tools razor sharp. The leather is smooth and durable, and it pairs well with a sharpening compound for a fine edge. Nice large size of real leather for blade stropping. One side is smooth and one is rough, and since I wanted to have access to either side, I ordered another so I can attach them to a single flat board and choose either side depending on the need. I also ordered some additional green honing compound, which is the best for getting the sharpest edge on cutting tools. A final honing after sharpening one wet stones gives the ultimate edge to your tools. Number 4. Sharp Pebble Premium Strap. It boasts a high-quality build, lightweight yet durable design. The non-slip rubber base and premium cowhide leather make it perfect for professionals. Unlike other straps, it uses genuine cowhide leather for superior sharpening. With the included polishing compound, you can achieve a mirror polish on your blades quickly and easily. Its lightweight and large stropping area make it comfortable to hold. The non-slip base keeps it secure while you work. It's the one strap you need for all your tools. Sharpen knives, chisels, razors, whatever needs a razor-sharp edge. This kit includes the strap, polishing compound, and a detailed ebook packed with helpful tips and tricks for all skill levels. What we like. Made with premium cowhide leather, it delivers an unmatched mirror polish to your blades. If you are looking for superior quality and ease of use, this strap is your best bet. Its lightweight design and large stropping area make it comfortable and efficient for all skill levels. What people say. This strap is high quality and well built. The compound is a great addition as well. This strap does in fact finish your blade to a mirror finish. It's soft but not soft enough that it rounds corners. It's a solid, well-built product that I even use to hone my knives between uses, and it does in fact put a mirror finish on the edge of my knives. The green abrasive is great for sharpening with this leather strap for the final touches. It stays where you put it and doesn't wander even with a lot of pressure, which you really don't need to use. I redid a whole chisel blade with it and some diamond stones, and it worked great to finish them up. I mostly use it for light sharpening as I don't let most of my chisels get in too bad of shape. Number 3. GENTS Razor Strap. This strap is designed for effortless sharpening of your straight razor. Its generous size and high-quality leather ensure a smooth, safe sharpening experience. At 2.5 inches wide and 23.5 inches long, it provides ample space for comfortable and effective sharpening. The extra width adds to the safety and ease of use. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the discerning gentleman? This strap makes a perfect present, helping him maintain a perfectly sharp straight razor. Made from premium cowhide leather, it will help keep your blades incredibly smooth and sharp. Experience the difference that quality makes. It's not just for straight razors. Sharpen your knives, woodworking tools, and even kitchen cutlery with this versatile strop. It includes a sharpening canvas and a swivel for added convenience. Your strop arrives ready to use. If you have any questions, our friendly customer service team is always ready to assist you. What we like. Its extra long length provides ample stropping space for various tools. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift or a high-quality strop for everyday use, this is an excellent choice. The high-quality leather ensures a smooth and effective sharpening experience. What people say. It can be attached through a clip to any wall support. It has two sides. It will take your sharpened blade from sharp to razor sharp. Well constructed and finished. 5 passes per side without any polishing compound, and it was nearly razor sharp. Could shave hair and slice through paper. Number 2. Angerstone Leather Strop Kit. This professional kit includes everything you need to sharpen your knives and tools like a pro. It comes with a strop paddle, 3 different polishing compounds, and an instruction manual packed with helpful tips and tricks. It features a rough side for initial sharpening and a smooth side for polishing, giving you a mirror-like finish. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use. The strop is made from high-quality, vegetable-tanned cowhide leather, known for its durability and sharpening properties. The secure screw-fix design ensures stability during use. 3 different colored compounds are included: green, chromium oxide, white, aluminum oxide, and red for polishing. They're easy to apply to the leather. It's perfect for sharpening various tools, from kitchen knives and hunting knives to woodworking chisels and straight razors. It even makes a great gift. What we like. The ergonomic handle enhances comfort and control during use. If you value comfort and a variety of sharpening options, this strop with its 3 included compounds is perfect. The durable construction ensures it will last for years to come. What people say. Plenty of width for sharpening longer wood carving knives, especially the critical tip. Plenty of length for getting a good long stroke, which is particularly helpful when doing gouges. Nice thick leather on both sides. One leather side has excellent nap for holding sharpening compound. The other side is hard and smooth leather for the final finish. Wood handle is nicely finished. The 14.3 inch by 3 inch strop was nicely finished and assembled. The rough and fine leather pads each appear to be uniformly finished. After honing several wood chisels, I am pleased with the results, and the kit seems fine for my needs. First off, let me say that if you truly want to properly finish a knife edge, that finishing the bevel with a strop is the way to go. But, if you simply grab your strop and put some compound on it, doesn't take much compound, or sharpening efforts really, but the process of finishing with a strop, that is how you get that fine mirror polish and remove the burrs and get that razor sharp finish. So much easier to just use some compound or polish on the strop after the 3000 to 5000 grit stone's beautiful finish, every time. Number 1. Angerstone Leather Knife Strop. This professional kit includes everything you need for a razor-sharp edge. It comes with a paddle strop, 3 different polishing compounds, and easy-to-follow instructions. Made from vegetable-tanned cowhide, it's built to last. You'll enjoy years of reliable sharpening with this durable strop. One side is rough for initial sharpening, the other is smooth for polishing. Achieve a mirror-like finish on your blades with ease. The comfortable handle makes sharpening a breeze. You'll appreciate the ergonomic design for long-lasting comfort. Green and white compounds are included for different sharpening needs. They are easy to apply and provide excellent results. It's perfect for various tools, from knives and chisels to razors and axes. This makes it a versatile addition to any workshop or kitchen. Surprise your friends and family with this high-quality strop. It's a thoughtful present for any knife enthusiast. What we like. This strop boasts a dual-sided design and an ergonomic handle for comfortable sharpening. If you prefer a comfortable grip and multiple compounds for different sharpening stages, this is the ideal choice. The combination of features makes it suitable for various sharpening tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.